Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today it's a what I eat in a week, and I hope you enjoy the recipe I made. And this recipe helped me in maintaining my weight and also losing weight as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So right now I am trying to prep my breakfast. I'll be having egg and spinach sauce. So in making the spinach sauce, I'll be using coconut oil for my recipe, and I just add a little bit on the pan. Then I'll go in with the rest of my ingredients, which is the tomatoes, onions, and spinach. Yeah, so I allowed the oil to heat for a few seconds. Then I added in my spring onions. All right, then the next thing I'll add is my tomato. Okay, then I will stir it. After stirring it, I'll add the rest of my ingredient. Yeah, this is a very simple breakfast. Okay, very simple, easy to make. Up to 5 minutes you are done with this breakfast, and it's quite filling. So I had this with my green tea in the morning and I was fulfilled. So on this particular day I was making pancake for my family, but me, I need to eat a different breakfast because you guys know I'm on a low carb diet. Okay, so even if I am eating carb, I measure my carb. So I just added in my spinach and the green onions. Okay, and I'm just going to mix everything together. I added pepper, salt to taste, and that was it. So I opened a hole in the center of my sauce, okay, so that I can put in my pepper. Yeah, so if you are a pepper type, the pepper I used was not black pepper. I used Cameroon pepper. Yeah, so like to give me that spicy taste, So I'm just adding a little bit of more Cameroon pepper inside the egg. Then I'll add little salt inside the egg, and I will close it for everything to boil together. So this is the way I cooked my egg on this particular day. Sometimes I cook different kind of eggs depending on my mood. So this is my breakfast. I will enjoy this with my daughter because she also liked the egg sauce I did for myself. your hair before you bath. So it's lunchtime and I'm going to be having rice. Yeah. So as I said, low carb, but you can eat carb, but just eat it in a small quantity. You measure the carbohydrate intake you have every day. So this is the sauce I'm having here. I have sausage, tomato, carrots, and green pepper and spring onions. Yeah, so just saute or fry everything together. Then I had this chicken sauce that was remaining, so I added it inside. Then I just added my spinach as well. So everything has to be veggie. More veggie, less carbohydrate. It will help you um to count the carbs you take inside. Yeah, so after that was ready, this is how it was. My rice portion, I used 1/4 cup of rice. So if you know what 1/4 cup of rice is, very small. So that's my rice portion, and I took these green beans, and this is how I ate my lunch. It was super refilling. I really enjoyed it, and I drank a lot of water. Like, you need to be drinking lots of water. That my bottled water, I always finish it in a day, and even sometimes add more.
Thousand years later.
I have not hold a camera to vlog. Just finished my workout. I am dripping on sweat. So I'm gonna lose my hair. I wanna wash it and do my treatment. Anyway, so I'm done bathing and I'm quite hungry. I want to eat, and I was like, I want to make beans and plantain. So in the process of cutting this plantain, two of my plantain was very soft. Okay, I can't use it to do beans, and something popped into my head. I was like, why don't I use it to do pancake? Yes, so I want to make pancake with my plantain. So my ingredient inside this pancake is two very soft plantain. Okay, then half, like this cup, okay, of oatmeal, one egg, 2 teaspoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a very little sugar. Maybe I call it quarter sugar because I don't eat sugar now. So very small sugar and water. That's it. So let me show you guys the mixture. And my hair is like this, so I've washed it. It's time to braid. Make a new mini braid challenge. Looks like, okay, this is going to serve as a plantain pancake. So since I don't have banana, I'll use plantain. So you can make this for your kids or for yourself. But anyway, see my oil here. I'll be frying it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. This is it. About this, they're eating it. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's so soft, so fluffy. Amazing. I love the fact that it's very soft. I mean, I'm regretting adding that tiny sugar self. I feel self plantain has its own sugar. I shouldn't have added sugar, but anyway, this is my first time. This is my first time doing this, and I love it. So I think I was doing it more. If I have overripe plantain, instead of throwing it away, when I open it and I know the plantain is still good, instead of throwing it away, I'll use it to do pancake for myself. Yeah. doing. So I am super excited because I just checked my weight and I have gone down again. Yes, like I'm almost hitting my target. Yesterday, I didn't do any challenge anyway, but I'm not cutting down, like doing portion control. Portion control helps, okay? I ate yesterday. I In the morning I drank my green tea with ginger. Like the green tea is a ginger green tea and half lemon. Then in the afternoon, thereabout, I ate, okay, yeah, I did pancake. Pancake I did was plantain pancake. Plantain pancake with oatmeal and egg and cinnamon, no, not cinnamon, and vanilla. Yeah, and vanilla, and just a little bit of sugar. I regularly put in the sugar because it was quite sweet. So I ate that and I drank tea, and that was it. I ate the food around that kind, I think 2 o'clock. Yeah, because that's when my daughter came out from school. I ate it around 2 o'clock. Then around that kind 4 or 6, 4, 5, 6 thereabout, I ate another portion control of beans and plantain. That was what I ate. Drank water and sleep. And yesterday I checked my weight. I was weighing 68.35. Okay. And this morning I just checked my weight. I'm weighing 67.70. Like, I am gradually achieving the goal I want. I am super happy about myself. Super happy about the growth I am right now, the space I am right now. I am so happy. So yeah, I just want to give you guys update. I told you guys I'll, in most of my vlog, weight loss vlog or any other vlog, I told you guys I'll be updating you guys when I have reached my 65. And we're still in May, so I know deep down in my heart that I'll achieve it this May. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Recipe, I want to try it out. This is oatmeal. I have some shredded carrot, green pepper, peas, onions, 1 egg. I'll be adding black pepper, and salt. Then I'll mix everything together. I just pray this thing comes out nice. So. This is how the mixture looks like. And I'm going to fry this. Food day. Alright, let's fry. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be eating this. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. It tastes so amazing. Like, amazing. I feel it's better you use ketchup for it. This is very nice. Very nice.